What's up guys, Shahbaz here. So the gleaming hands-on live look of the Samsung Galaxy S23, Galaxy S23 Plus and the premium model Galaxy S23 Ultra revealed on the network. Just one day ahead of the official announcement of the Samsung Galaxy S23 lineup, the floodgates for leaks have opened even wider. Now multiple hands-on videos and live images of the Samsung Galaxy S23, Galaxy S23 Plus and Galaxy S23 Ultra have started to appear on the network. More live images of the Samsung Galaxy S23 line have been leaked, with a single day left before the official launch of the 2023 flagships. There are plenty of hands-on S23 Ultra shots in particular, with what appears to be a retail test model confirming the 200 megapixel main camera and 6.8 inches QHD Plus display. A Twitter user Dylan Zeaton has published multiple live images of the Samsung Galaxy S23 and the Galaxy S23 Ultra models. He also published a hands-on video of the Galaxy S23 Ultra, showcasing its screen and design from all angles. It's look like it's the real deal, and some retail stores have already started showcasing Samsung's upcoming smartphone a day before its official unveiling. Samsung is apparently losing the battle to stem the flow of the Galaxy S23 leaks, as yet another leak has shown off the upcoming Galaxy S23, S23 Plus and the Galaxy S23 Ultra in the lineup of the hands-on live images. The Galaxy S23 Ultra has appeared in the hands-on video clip before, but this is one of the first times that there is a good look at the Samsung Galaxy S23 and Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus in the hand. An accompanying hands-on video had also been shared, but was later taken down for copying infringement, as can be seen in the real-world S23 images. As you can see in the video, there are shots of both the front and the rear of the Galaxy S23 and Galaxy S23 Plus. The Samsung Galaxy S23 is shown off in cotton flower, with the main design difference between it and the predecessor Galaxy S22 being the removal of the clunky camera housing bump. Now the Galaxy S23 line cameras are housed in aesthetically pleasing separate rings, allowing the misty lilac Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus to look sleeker on the rear than its Galaxy S22 Plus relative. The Galaxy S23 Ultra hands-on photos feature the upcoming device freely in the hand and also in a secure retail test model state. The real-life Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra practically shimmers in botanic green and will likely win over many fans with that color, while the pickup test model is shown in a phantom black. The store marketing text in Spanish confirms the 6.8 inches QHD Plus panel, 200 megapixel, 12 megapixel, 10 megapixel and 10 megapixel camera system, 256GB, 512GB storage options, 5000 mAh battery, and the presence of the S Pen for the Galaxy S23 Ultra model. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.